Construction of pattern for sleeves and cuffs of men's shirt. In the previous session, we constructed the pattern of collar for men's shirt. At the end of the session, you will be able to construct pattern for sleeves and cuffs of men's shirt. Now let's see how to draft the pattern of sleeves for men's shirt. We need chest circumference and sleeve length for constructing the pattern of sleeves. Here, the chest circumference is 36 inches and sleeve length is 25 inches. We need to find quarter of chest circumference. From the fraction table, we get the value as 9 inches. Now copy the drafting instructions in your notebook. Here, we will copy only those instructions which need calculations. Then find some of these values. The next step is to draw the pattern of sleeves in our notebook using a triangular scale. Here, we are using a 1:4 scale to draw the pattern. As per our drafting instruction, first we will draw the line 01, which is 23 3/4 inches. Then construct line 02, which is 8 inches. Construct line 13, which is also 8 inches. Join points 2 and 3. Now find the midpoint of line 02. This is point 4. Again find midpoint of line 04. This is point 5. Measure 04 and mark the same starting from point 2. From point 5, measure ½ inch down and make a mark. This is point 6. From point 4, measure 3/4 inches down and make a mark. This is point 7. Again from point 7, measure 1 inches down and make a mark. This is point 8. Curve points 0, 7, 9. From point 3, measure 1 inch inwards to get point 10. Join points 10 and 9. Now find the midpoint of 110. This will be point 11. Thus we have completed constructing the pattern of sleeves for men's shirt. Now let's see how to draft the pattern for cuffs of men's shirt. We need wrist measurement for drafting cuffs. Here it is 6.5 inches. We need to find half of wrist measurement, which is 3.25 inches. Now copy the drafting instructions in your notebook. Then find the sum of these values. The next step is to draw the pattern of cuffs in our notebook using a triangular scale. Here, we are using a 1:4 scale to draw the pattern. As per our drafting instruction, first we will draw the line 01, which is 3 3/8 inches. We can round it to 3.5 inches for drafting. Then construct line 02, which is 5 inches. Construct line 13, which is also 5 inches. Join points 2 and 3. From point 2, measure 3/4 inches towards the left and down to get points 4 and 5. Join points 4 and 5 in a curve. Thus, we have completed constructing the pattern of cuffs for men's shirt. Before we conclude, let's take a look at the key steps. Step 1. Note the body measurements and its fractions required for drafting the sleeves. Step 2. Copy the drafting instructions in your notebook by substituting the values found out from the fraction table instead of fractions of body measurements. Step 3. Add or subtract numbers if any. Step 4. Construct the pattern of sleeves in your notebook with the help of a triangular scale. Step 5. Similarly, construct the pattern of cuffs using a triangular scale. With that, we have come to the end of this session.